Hi, I'm Dr. Hartzler. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at TSAOG Orthopaedics, specializing in shoulder and elbow surgery. Whenever people ask me how I got to be an orthopedic surgeon, I usually say that I just got lucky. I met the right group of people just at the right time when I had to make that decision. Actually, my mentor, Dr. Burkhardt, our managing partner, was a heavy influence on me. So I think that it was mostly an accident, but I'm thrilled that this is my job and I love helping people with orthopedic problems. My practice is primarily anatomically based. I treat almost all shoulder problems and some elbow, and my patients are mostly middle-aged, older, and elderly patients with degenerative conditions such as rotator cuff tears and arthritis of the shoulder and fractures. We treat all the conditions of the shoulder and elbow, including complex problems such as patients who need revision surgery, and we have a great team, and we're looking forward to helping you with your problem.